So if we're gonna do a no bleach, that's gonna bring you into kind of like the brunette kind of vibe, right? It's not gonna bring you into the blondes.
Yeah.
Are
Okay.
you okay with that?
Yeah.
You're okay.
I don't think I want to go into the blondes.
Right.
I don't like the goldy colors on me. I don't
Okay.
like the chestnuts really. I like ashes.
Okay. Okay.
I like richness.
You like richness?
I do.
Okay. But rich and ashy, they're two separate things. Right? So which side of the spectrum are you more so on? Ashy? Because if you want ashy, we might have to bleach.
I don't want bleach.
Okay.